Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Facebook memories option not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Play Store, search Facebook, update Facebook app, go to phone setting, tap on apps, search Facebook, click on Facebook, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Go to Facebook app, tap on notification icon, check all notification, tap on notification memories. Now memories option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.